provide each student with the most realistic experience possible. However, this type of training produces billows of smoke and ash, consumes large quantities of expensive fuels, and is somewhat dependent on weather conditions. Rain or snow can cancel a scheduled training program designed to provide realistic firefighting training on a variety of flammable liquid hazards without the headaches of scheduling employees around weather conditions, without the consumption of huge quantities of fuels and extinguishing agents, and without the pollution inherent with live fire training. And video technology. What the student sees on the screen is a video reproduction of an actual fire superimposed onto a static hazard through a set of electronically controlled shutters. It produces realistic firefighting training by requiring the student to properly actuate the stored pressure or cartridge-operated extinguisher, to correctly identify the type of fire and the proper extinguishing technique, and then to correctly apply that firefighting technique. The student's firefighting technique is constantly monitored by the fire simulator computer via the LED emitters in the extinguisher nozzle and the LED sensors located along the projection screen. If the correct application technique is started and continued throughout the firefighting sequence, the computer-controlled shutters will extinguish the fire on the screen. If an incorrect application technique is employed, the fire will reflash just as it would in a live fire situation. It's as simple as that. The fire simulator has been tested and proven to be an effective and reliable training aid of the fire simulator to the OSHA regional office in Chicago for their review and comment. We were advised that, after careful review of the ANSEL material and the OSHA 1910.157G regulation, it is concluded that the ANSEL Fire Training Simulator does meet the requirement of OSHA Regulation 1910.157G. The fire simulator utilizes a large screen to provide lifelike fire situations. The screen contains the LED sensors that input data to the computer. An electronically controlled multiple shutter system to direct the proper amount of fire displayed onto the static hazard. Modified ANSEL cartridge-operated or stored pressure hand-portable fire extinguishers to enhance the firefighting experience. The extinguisher nozzles have been fitted with a computer-controlled indicating lamp, which shows the student where the agent discharge is being directed while allowing air pressure through to simulate extinguisher discharge noise. A computer programmed to monitor the actions of each fire situation, such as the fire's reflash rate and fuel type, along with the correct firefighting technique required for extinguishment, which is dependent on the extinguishing agent selected and the extinguisher's effective discharge time. Plus, a set of external speakers add a sense of realism to the student's experience by providing the noise of the fire, the intensity of which is controlled by the computer, depending on the fire condition displayed on the screen. The fire simulator programming covers the following flammable liquid fire situations: spill fire, liquid in-depth fire, storage locker fire, gravity-fed fire. Plus, you can set the level of difficulty for each of the fires based on the experience level of the student being trained, or by changing any or all of the following parameters: fire reflash rate, extinguishing agent effectiveness, extinguisher discharge time, and type of fuel being fought. So whether you're training novice operators or keeping your experienced fire brigade personnel in practice,